Got some mulch, putting it around all these bases of the plants here. Weeds are really starting to come up. I'm gonna get some work done in the garden today, clean it up. Hope to have a little bit of mulch around all these plants over here too. Let's go check on the birds. Yeah, looking good, nice and toasty warm in there. Hey birdies. We got 3 of you keeping real nice and warm by that lamp there. There 3 are on the ground, huh? Looks like 1 of each is up there, 1 of each down there. The camera died yesterday while I was filming, but I did get the mulch around all the tomatoes, cucumbers, watermelon, corn I didn't do it on. That thing's just taken up. We should have knee high by 4th of July over here. Did it around the peppers, sunflowers. These zinnias here just went in, so they didn't get it. But soon, just walking around the back side here. We're gonna get some lettuce in the, gotta get the lettuce going too. Corn looking good. Cucumbers looking good. Tomatoes looking good. That fresh mulch looks good. I'll get this area finished up here. Corn looking good. Tomatoes coming along. Yeah, just the end of the day, getting some watering done over here. Hey you, what are you doing? Just hanging out, huh? Well, anyway, that's it for us over here.